guys, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to do something a little bit different from what we've been doing in the past weeks. Today we are going to talk about fragrance recipes and the ratios. If you're not already following us on Instagram and Facebook, every Thursday we put out a new fragrance recipe, and this is usually a combination of maybe 2 or 3 of our fragrances, and it's just designed to help you, find some inspiration and maybe create something different with fragrances that you already have, or maybe if you're looking for something specific that you just haven't been able to find from any of your suppliers. But there's been some questions about how these recipe ratios work, so we just wanted to give you guys a few examples here and kind of explain better how you would use one of these recipes. So for the first example, we have this tropical sangria recipe, and it's equal parts of these 3 different fragrances: pineapple, fruit slices, and Chardonnay. And for this example, we need a total of 1 ounce of fragrance oil for our project. So we just need to do a little bit of math to figure out how much fragrance we're going to use for each of these scents. So what you'll do is you'll take the amount of ounces that you need to use divided by the total number of parts for your recipe. So we have 1 ounce divided by 3 parts, which equals 0.33 ounces per part. So that adds up to be, 0.33 for each of those scents that are in the fragrance recipe. Now for this next example, we also have a total number of 3 parts, but it's a little bit different here since we have 2 parts of the Ocean Waves and 1 part of Amber Romance. For this example, we need a total of 3 ounces of fragrance oil. So let's do our math. 3 ounces divided by 3 parts is 1 ounce per part. But for this one, we need 2 ounces of Ocean Waves and 1 ounce of Amber Romance. Now the last example is one that tends to get people a lot just because it's a little bit different. But for this vanilla balsam, we need 4 parts vanilla bean and 1 part of the balsam and cedar. For this example, we need a total of 6 ounces of fragrance for our project. So we're going to divide 6 ounces by 5 parts, which equals 1.2 ounce per part. So then for this recipe, you would use 4.8 ounces of vanilla bean and 1.2 ounces of balsam and cedar. Okay, that's really it for this week, guys. Hopefully this will help some of you that have had questions on how our fragrance recipes worked in the past. We hope you enjoyed this video. Come back next week for more.